Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you. You should never plug in two or three things on your laptop or system. Basically this video is for laptop. So the first one is pen drive. You should never use a pen drive which is unknown and untrusted. I mean the which you don't recognize, don't plug in on your computer. It's very risky and it can infect your whole computer and even the operating system of your computer, and there could be the dangerous virus on the USB is infected already, and once you plugged in into your computer or laptop can also be infected with these malwares or attacks. So only use the USB which you know it. Let's say you are using the personal USB for long time, so you know that, so you can use that. Now the second thing you never use on your computer or laptop, basically in the laptop, is the random charger or the random charger port on your computer. Since the different charger can cause many issues related to hardware, error to motherboards as well, so you never use these kind of things on your laptop. One another thing you should never use is the public transportation port. I mean the public ports in the train, aeroplane or metro, wherever. You should never use them since those can affect your system and can cause the various issues on your laptop. So you should never use the different charger and the public port on your laptop, and including the external USB or the unknown USB. So these are the things guys, and one another thing is you should never keep always plug in your computer laptop with the charger. So this is all about for this video guys, and this will lead your laptop to the safe and the good running OS. So I hope guys this video and this guides helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.